Welcome to the CDesk training video on basic CDesk navigation. CDesk by Adaptive Voice is a single Windows system with 8 applications that utilize high contrast, large print displays, intuitive shortcuts, and is fully speech enabled. The CDesk user interface was designed specifically for blind, low vision, and senior users. For sighted users, there is the very large high-contrast mouse cursor. To choose a function, simply left-click on the function button that you want to execute. Alternately, you can use the Tab key located on the far left of your keyboard to move around the page. As you move, the system will voice the current location.
Word, email, contacts, internet, phone, reading and scanning, office, media and books, exit CDesk, help, backup process, book download process, Word.
And we're back to the beginning. This is a very good way to become aware of and build a mental picture of what is on a page when you visit the page for the first time. CDesk also makes available what are called shortcuts. Shortcuts are keystrokes that allow you to execute a function button or jump to a data field by pressing a key combination. Almost all CDesk shortcuts are simple and intuitive combinations of the Alt key and one other letter. There are 2 Alt keys located on your keyboard, one on either side of the large spacebar. With few exceptions, the shortcut for a function in CDesk is the Alt key plus the first letter of what the function is or does. Examples on the main menu page are Alt-W for Word, Alt-E for Email, Alt-I for Internet, and Alt-M for Media and Books. For sighted users, the shortcut keys become underlined when the Alt key is pressed. Shortcuts are not completely necessary to use in CDesk, but as you become more familiar with the applications, you will find that they can make your CDesk even easier to use and you more productive. There are currently 8 major application areas within CDesk. Each application has a function button on the main menu page. The applications are Word,
Email, contacts, internet, phone, reading and scanning, office, media and books.
In addition, there are 4 additional buttons on the right-hand side of the page.
Exit CDesk, help, backup process, book download process.
The X button is the exit for CDesk.
Exit CDesk.
Throughout the CDesk system, if you want to exit a page and return to the previous page or function, you would use the exit shortcut, which is Alt plus X.
Help form. The current selection is how to use the basic functions in Word.
The H button is for the CDesk help page. On this page you will find 20 to 30 training videos with fully descriptive audio. The help videos are short, 1 to 5 minutes in length, and are task-oriented, such as how to send an email, or how to add a contact, or how to make a Skype video call. We encourage all users to go through the videos for an application before they start to work with it. There are many tips within the videos that show you advanced features. The CDesk user interface was designed to seem simple and sparse. Advanced functionality is easily available, but does not get in the way of performing the basic tasks. Reducing page clutter and information overload was a prime rule in designing CDesk. The help videos for a specific application are also available with the CDesk on-screen help, which is available by pressing Alt plus H anywhere within CDesk.
Exit Word.
Many users will see a B function button, which is for the CDesk backup and synchronization application. Backup and synchronization was designed for the CDesk mobile clients to synchronize their fixed and mobile workstations, but is available to all CDesk clients. Contact CDesk support or your reseller for more information. The D button designates there is an NLS barred book or content that has been scheduled for downloading. This button will only display when items are scheduled. Refer to the videos on media book content scheduling for a detailed explanation. On the top row of your keyboard are special keys called function keys. CDesk uses keys F1 through F12 throughout the CDesk system. I'll explain a few of the keys here. Others are discussed in detail in other videos. The F1 key will vocalize what is on the screen based on the context of what you are doing. CDesk knows where you are in the system and how to vocalize. CDesk is not acting like a simple screen reader. It understands the context of what you are requesting. If you are on the email display page, F1 will read you the entire email. If you are entering a phone number into a contact data field, F1 will read you the phone number. If you are in a Word document, F1 will read you the entire document. The F2 key toggles the system voice on and off.
Speech is off. Speech is on.
Sighted users might prefer not to have the voice. Low vision users might press the key by mistake. If you expect to hear speech and do not, try to press the F2 key in order to make sure the voicing is turned on. The F3 function key toggles the CDesk character mode on and off.
Say characters off. Say characters on.
If the character mode is on, the system will vocalize each character as it's typed. This is very useful for users starting to learn keyboarding skills. Touch typists might find that it slows them down. The F11 and F12 keys are the CDesk user-controlled magnification keys. F12 will make the data on the screen larger. F11 will make the data smaller. CDesk will remember what your preferred settings are. If we go into the Internet and press F12, we can see. We'll go into the Internet now.
Internet. Web page title. Google accessible search. Web page display active.
And if I hit the F12 key, the text gets quite large. If I hit the F11 key, it gets smaller. CDesk will magnify your data in the context of what you are doing. We do not create a magnification window that you move around trying to find your information. With CDesk, you never lose track of where you are or what you are looking at. Let's go back to the main
Exit
page.
Internet. Exit CDesk.
Some other keys are the escape key in the upper left-hand corner of your keyboard will stop whatever current vocalization is happening. F4 key will say the current state of the keyboard cap locks and num locks keys.
Cap lock is off. Num lock is off.
Pressing the cap lock key 4 times in a row will say the current date and time.
Cap lock, Thursday, December 30th, 2010, 1:48 p.m.
The F5 key will say the last word typed. The F8 key will spell out the last word typed. The control page down key will slow the computer's voice.
Say slower. Say slower.
The control page up key will speed up the voice.
Say faster. Say faster.
Holding down the Shift and pressing the F2 key will toggle between available languages. Contact Adaptive Voice Support regarding multi-language support requirements.
El lenguaje común es el español. Esta traducción es la tecnología de Google.
Pressing Shift F2 again will switch you back. Most of the Windows shortcut keys that you learned over the years are available when you use CDesk. There is a complete list of the CDesk shortcuts in a document called CDesk Shortcuts List that's located in your My Documents directory. Refer to the video on Word on how to open, view, and print this file. You can also press Alt plus H at any time for the CDesk on-screen help for the shortcuts pertinent to the current application. This is the end of the training video on basic navigation. We suggest that you take the time viewing the other training videos that are available on other aspects of the CDesk system. Thank you.